Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a small container for screws. You may also want to have some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning purposes. If you need help with diagnosis, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, turn the laptop upside down and remove the screws securing the back panel. Make sure to organize the screws in your container as you remove them to avoid confusion later. Once all screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the charging jack. It's typically situated near the battery. Before proceeding, disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, unscrew the charging jack from its position. Keep track of all screws, as they need to be reinstalled later. Once unscrewed, gently pull the old charging jack out from the motherboard. You may need to wiggle it slightly to get it free. Now, take the new charging jack and insert it into the same slot where the old one was located. Ensure that it fits snugly and is aligned correctly with the motherboard. Screw it back into place. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the area around the jack with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. After ensuring everything is clean, reconnect the battery. Before sealing up the back panel, it's wise to test the new charging jack. Plug in your charger to see if the laptop recognizes it and begins charging. If you are satisfied with the results, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinstall all screws that you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the holes. If you are uncertain about handling such repairs, remember, we provide a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. Finally, turn your laptop back on and verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our service ensures no calls and no travel, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired with minimal hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.